Here's how to create Game Pass PLS Donate on Roblox. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to open your Roblox app. Once you are logged into your Roblox account, now here you have to click on the create option. Now after that, from here you have to click on the creations option. Now you have to click on this image. After clicking on it, now it will take you to this interface here. Now from the left menu, here I'm gonna click on the associated items option. Then here at this interface, I selected the passes option. Then at this interface, I'm gonna click on the create a badge option. After clicking on this option, now here at this interface, I have to upload any image. After uploading the image, now you have to select the name and add a little bit of description. Then click on the create pass option. After that, here you can see that the pass has been created. Now to set the price, I clicked on the pass and then go to the basic settings. Then here at this interface, I selected the sales option. Now here you have to select the price that you want to keep. But remember one thing, Roblox will take 7% of it, so you have to set according to it. Then here I clicked on the save change option. Now as you can see that the Game Pass with the price has been successfully created. Now to add it on stand on please donate. First open your Roblox account. Then here select the option please donate. Go to stand and clear by holding the E button on your keyboard. So this is how you can create Game Pass please donate on Roblox.